question, if I want to brute force some password, but making it more fun to do so and more functional, are there any ideas or tools we can use to build a circuit hardware that brute forces the password? That's actually a really interesting project. Typically, you're going to use like a GPU or something to do that sort of cracking, and making your own GPU sounds hard, but making your own GPU rig might not be as hard. So this would be probably like a GPU hacking project where you're tying together some GPUs, or maybe some even some CPUs that have been left over from other projects or that happen to be particularly cheap, and making it so you can do that cracking on your own. Nowadays, you're in pretty stiff competition with really cheap cloud computing, and a lot of hacking stuff is just a matter of harnessing some of these cheap cloud compute assets and using them to run through. So I'm not going to say like Google Cloud Shell, but certainly some free online tools that are capable of spinning up a pretty powerful computer are capable of doing this sort of password cracking if asked to do it in the right way. So getting access to free cloud resources is typically like a little faster to do nowadays than gathering or scavenging some hardware and putting together a password cracker, but it's not impossible. And in fact, it sounds like a pretty cool project.